Ever opened your fridge and found a mystery meal growing mold in the back? Or struggled with leaky containers ruining your lunch bag? Today, we're solving that once and for all. Here are the 5 best food storage containers that actually keep your food fresh, organized, and leak-free. No more wasted leftovers or fridge disasters. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 food storage containers. Number 1. Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers. Are your leftovers turning into science experiments in the back of your fridge? Then it's time to upgrade to the Rubbermaid Brilliance 24-piece airtight food storage containers. A smart, stylish, and super functional solution for meal prep, lunch, and leftovers. This set includes BPA-free Triton plastic containers that look like glass but are lightweight, durable, and totally clear from every angle so you can easily see what's inside without popping the lid. Key features. First, they're airtight and 100% leak-proof, perfect for packing soups, sauces, or even smoothies with zero mess. Second, they're stain and odor-resistant, so no more lingering spaghetti smells or tomato stains. Pros: dishwasher, microwave, and freezer safe. Super easy to clean and versatile for everyday use. Cons: they're a bit pricier than basic plastic sets, and the lids might take some pressure to snap on tightly. Best for busy parents, meal preppers, or anyone tired of leaky lids and fridge chaos. Rubbermaid Brilliance truly lives up to its name: clean, clear, and kitchen-ready. Number 2. Snapewear Total Solution Plastic Food Storage. Tired of your food leaking or getting lost in a mountain of mismatched containers? Say hello to Snapewear Total Solution 5-pack food storage containers, the solution to your meal prep and storage headaches. This set includes 5 rectangular containers, each with a 3-cup capacity. Perfect for storing leftovers, taking lunches to work, or organizing snacks at home. Made from lightweight, durable, and BPA-free plastic, these containers are not only great for food storage but also built to last. Key features. First, these containers come with airtight, leak-proof lids that feature for locking tabs to keep your food sealed and fresh. No more spills or soggy lunches. Second, they're microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, making them super versatile for reheating, storing, and cleaning. Pros: stain, odor, and flavor resistant. Convenient for meal prep, work, or school. Cons: the 3-cup size might not be big enough for larger meals, and they might not stack as neatly as other brands. Best for meal preppers, busy parents, or anyone who needs an affordable, reliable way to keep food fresh and organized. Snapewear is all about keeping things simple, fresh, and fun. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 8-piece Baking Pop Container Set. If you love baking but hate digging through messy bags and boxes, the OXO Good Grips 8-piece Baking Essentials Pop Container Set is about to change your kitchen game. Whether you're storing flour, sugar, or chocolate chips, this set keeps your ingredients fresh and organized. So, what's inside? You get 5 pop containers in various sizes, perfectly designed for baking. Essentials like 1-pound boxes of brown sugar, 5-pound bags of flour, and even baking soda. Plus, it includes 2 scoops and a brown sugar saver to keep your ingredients at their best. Key features. First, the airtight seal is super easy to engage. Just push the button, and it doubles as a handle for the lid. Second, the accessories, like the 1/2 cup scoops, make measuring and baking a breeze. Pros: clear containers let you see exactly what's inside, and they're BPA-free for peace of mind. Cons: the containers might be a bit bulky for smaller spaces, and the lid is not meant to be carried by the handle for best durability. Best for home bakers, cooking enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to keep their pantry organized and their ingredients fresh. If you bake regularly, this set is a must-have for your kitchen. Number 4. Rubbermaid Brilliance Glass Food Storage Containers. Struggling to keep your food fresh and organized without worrying about spills or stains? Enter the Rubbermaid Brilliance Glass Food Storage Containers, a game-changer for meal prep, lunch, and leftovers. This 8-piece set includes 4 containers and 4 lids of various sizes, plus a large 9.6-cup container for those bigger meals. These containers feature airtight, leak-proof seals with secure latches, so you can transport soups, stews, and sauces without any mess. And with built-in vents under the lids, you can microwave without the splatter. Just pop it in and heat up Key features. First, the stain-resistant crystal clear lids let you see exactly what's inside, making organization easy. Second, the modular design means you can stack and save space in your fridge or cabinet without worrying about containers shifting. Pros: BPA-free, durable, and built to last. The clear construction makes it easy to identify what's inside. Cons: the glass can be heavier compared to plastic containers, and they're not as compact for tiny spaces. Best for home cooks, meal preppers, or anyone who wants a reliable, space-saving solution for fresh, organized food storage. If you want a hassle-free way to store, heat, and serve meals, Rubbermaid Brilliance is the way to go. Number 5. Stasher Silicone Bags. 4-pack. Are you ready to ditch single-use plastic bags and make your kitchen more eco-friendly? Meet Stasher, premium silicone reusable food storage bags, the sustainable solution to plastic bags in your home, lunchbox, and beyond. This 4-pack of multi-use silicone bags is designed to replace plastic bags for storing food, snacks, or even travel essentials. Made from 100% food-safe silicone, they feature a leak-free patented pinch-lock seal to keep your food fresh and your bag mess-free. Plus, they're microwave, dishwasher, and oven-safe. Yes, you can cook, store, and reheat in these bags up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Key features. They're BPA-free and free from lead, latex, and other harmful chemicals, so they're safe for you and the environment. Pros: durable, reusable, and environmentally friendly. They're versatile enough for the fridge, freezer, or even your travel bag. Cons: they might be a bit bulkier than traditional plastic bags, and they can be harder to store in tight spaces. Best for eco-conscious consumers, busy families, and anyone looking to reduce plastic waste while keeping their food fresh and organized. If you're ready to make a sustainable switch, Stasher bags are a game-changer. Recap of the 5 products: Number -1. Rubbermaid Brilliance, BPA-free. Airtight food storage containers, great for keeping food fresh with airtight, leak-proof seals and crystal-clear plastic for easy viewing. Number -2. Snapewear Total Solution 5-pack. Food storage containers, versatile, leak-proof containers with BPA-free lids and convenient accessories for measuring and keeping food organized. Number -30XO. Good Grips 8PS. Baking Essentials Pop Containers set perfect for organizing baking ingredients with airtight seals, easy-to-use lids, and modular stacking design. Number -4. Rubbermaid Brilliance Glass Food Storage Containers. Durable, microwave, dishwasher, and oven-safe glass containers with airtight seals and modular stacking. Number -5. Stasher Premium. Silicone reusable food storage bags, eco-friendly, leak-proof silicone bags that are microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. Designed to replace single-use plastic bags. Recommendation: The Rubbermaid Brilliance Glass Food Storage Containers are the best overall. They offer superior durability with airtight, leak-proof seals, are safe for the microwave, dishwasher, and oven, and stack efficiently for easy organization. If you're looking for reliable, long-lasting food storage, this set provides excellent value and versatility. Check the description below for links to detailed information on each product. Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.